Okay everyone, I got a new loom. It is the Knit Quick long loom and hook. Let's open this up and have a look at it. Oh, if I can get it out of the package. Here we go. Close up of the package. It says make starts, afghans, totes, easy to follow step-by-step instructions. And then it has little basic instructions on the back. Okay, well the loom is made out of just it looks like just a one-piece mold. The pegs are not removable, they are fixed to the loom, which I haven't seen a loom where the pegs came out like this. So if you happen to snap one, that might actually make it a lot easier to glue back in place. The quality of material seems okay. It still feels like it might be like recycled plastic, which is awesome for the environment, but they're not quite as durable as some of the older knitting looms that originally came out. Get your loom tool and a tapestry needle. Oh, it looks like a good sized little book with instructions. Okay, so it has it in English, looks like in 3 different languages. It has picture diagrams that look pretty easy to follow. It shows you some rake stitches. And then it goes over how to cast off. Nice. Okay, well, the loom, I want to say I got it at a Michael's and I didn't pay any more than $7 for it. So I definitely say it's worth what I paid for it. And the gauge appears to be comparable to your nifty knitter looms or a lot of the other round looms that are on the market right now. It takes like your bulky, super bulky yarn to make a nice full piece of fabric with it. Alright guys, this is just the unboxing of this. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.